TIMEMORONS vs. the Left-Handed Boy. Chapter 10, Jigsaw. Struggling with doubt but inspired by conviction, Dirk and Deke continue at his answers from the mystery. Bit by bit, piece by piece, the puzzle falls into place, placing them both in grave danger.
TIMEMORONS, I wander through time, trying to solve the crime.
We gotta talk to the chief. We've all but solved this caper. He's gotta put me back on the case now.
The chief ain't gonna like this one.
The chief has always been fair and square. He'll give us a good listen. Just you watch.
Tarnation! I done took him off the case. He's still working it on his own time. If Dirk can't paint his butt white and run with the antelope, I'll yank his badge. I'll run him out of town on a rail. He can put his boots in the oven, but that don't make 'em biscuits. I ain't had to fire nobody in a long spell, but Dirk has it coming in spades. Find him and tell him the chief wants to have a word with him pronto.
We're close to finding the final piece of this puzzle, and then the whole house of cards will come crashing down. I can feel it in my nut.
I hope we're not in the house at the time.
Falling piecemeal into place. No weights of firm, no empty space. Rocking horse, carousel, open field. The puzzle's jigsaw. Your fate is sealed.
That was beautiful.
Don't fall for his fancy words.
Arms akimbo, hands outstretched. Close your eyes. Count to 10. Close your eyes. Count to 10. Close your eyes. Guess you boys didn't know poetry was a form of mind control. And now it looks like you've simply run out of time.
You misbegotten son of a bitch.
Such language, so coarse, so unrefined. Why don't you wax poetic on these words, boys? Research department, we've got a couple of live ones up here. Better make it a rush job and bring the tasers.
Ink, left back pocket. There's no time to waste. We gotta get to the chief's office 30 minutes ago.
I'm on it like white on rice.
You'll never get away with this, Dupree.
Who's gonna stop me, you two morons?
It looks like you